Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video on Ezvid. Today we will be reviewing the software and I will show you its basic functionalities. Ezvid is a screencast and audio recorder, and it is the easiest way to make all-in-one audio and video recordings. It's very simple to handle. It has all the basic options that you would want. It automatically exports in 720p and it automatically uploads to YouTube if you so desire. Note that it's also compatible with audio produced in Audacity, meaning you can merge the two after you've recorded both an audio and a video. You can just add the two together, import the audio, and get a high quality video just like that. I want you to head to ezvid.com. Now on ezvid.com you'll find many articles, tutorials, help tools, a presentation video, of course, that was, by the way, made with Ezvid. And if you scroll down past all the advertising, you can download it. It's fairly simple to download. You download the file, you run it. It should take anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes to set up, depending on your internet connection. And once it's done, you can open the software. So once you open Ezvid, this is what you will see. Ezvid is a very simple and intuitive program, meaning it's really all in one. This screen is really all you will ever need to produce videos. Now let's talk about its basic functionalities. First off, you want to actually have something to work on, right? Something to edit. You need to record your screen. This is the button right here. So once you click it, you'll have two options. Either you start capture now and you just record your screen as is without audio, or you click on use advanced settings. Now you can toggle the microphone on and off, but I can't because my microphone is already used by Camtasia Studio, as you can see right here. So I can't do that, but you should be able to if you have a working microphone plugged in. You can toggle the headset mode. Again, I can't because my microphone is used by Camtasia. You can toggle the transparent mode. What this means is that when you will be recording, you'll have a little interface bottom left of your screen to pause the video, to add effects to it, and this will make it transparent, meaning people won't be able to see it on the video. It does reduce the performance, but I found that it doesn't do that by too much. So I suggest you do it. It just makes it look more professional. Now you can select an area of your screen to capture. And you can also capture your webcam as well if you're doing commentary, YouTube, video gaming videos, for example. So let's start the advanced capture now. So there's a countdown, and that's your screen being recorded. Now, this is your small interface right here. I didn't toggle transparent mode, otherwise you wouldn't see it very well, but I suggest you do. That little blinking light means it's recording. And you have the option to pause, to stop the video. If you stop the video, it will open the editor, so you can edit your video to a final product. And then you have the draw option, which is pretty neat. It gives you stuff to put on the screen, if you want to make an important point, for example. And if you leave it as is for a few seconds, they will disappear, fade out of the screen. It's pretty cool. You can write, you can add, I wanted to show you this file, for example, I would just click it, right? And that's it. Once you've captured your video, you'll click on stop. Now your video is being processed, so let's wait a few moments for it to appear. So now your timeline is open. This interface, this is the length of your video. It's approximately about 1 minute 15 to 20 in length. And it has no audio because my microphone wouldn't work, right? Now, if you play the video, and in this video you won't hear anything because there's no audio. Again, all you can hear is a static noise that comes probably from the fact that I'm recording my screen with Camtasia right now. It shouldn't do that. It never did for me in the past when I was using Ezvid before I upgraded to Camtasia Studio. And as you can see, you can toggle. That's me demonstrating the drawing option. That's it. The video is 720p right now. It should be a very crisp resolution. Now, if I wanted to record more audio, I would just click on this record voice right here, and the audio would start where I paused the video, so 6 seconds in. But let's say I want to create a full audio, I would just click on microphone and I would record my voice. And as you can see now, for some reason, my microphone is working, even though I'm using Camtasia Studio. Now, if we go back, and I would record my voice, and as you can, that's it, okay? And you can just modify audio as much as you want. Now, there are a few options also. You can add pictures or video. You can add text to your screen, like in Camtasia Studio. And then you can synthesize a speech if you don't want to talk, if you don't have a microphone. You can just type in a text and it will synthesize a speech for you in a very robotic voice. That's not very good in my opinion, but that's always an option. Now you get a game recording help if that's what you're into. Now that I've created an audio track, I'm getting all these options. One of them that I like very much is power. Where is it? Power. It changes your voice, it adds more bass to your voice, it makes your voice sound better. If you're a man, if you're a woman, it probably will fuck it up. It just makes it more masculine, and it's really good. And it also reduces echo and background noises. The only drawback I found to Ezvid is that it's a little slow to process orders. Done. Now let's listen to my audio again. See, now for some reason my microphone is working. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's much better. Let's say you have a finished product in your timeline and you wish to save it. Okay guys, if you click on new project, your previous project will be saved and will now appear in this folder. And here it is. You can just open it up. I would suggest you title it, because by default, every one of your projects would be called untitled, and that gets really confusing and messy if you don't give a clear title to every one of your videos. And that's it guys, that's how you create 720p videos that are ready to upload to YouTube in no time at all using Ezvid. I'll see you guys in the next video.